Ting Ting.
I am a king.
You handsome! Yee! Ano naman order namin mga kids? Yeah.
Happy birthday, Tete. Happy birthday, Tete.
Thank you. Tapos ang Ting Ting ah. May pasok kasi si Ting Ting. Pero tignan mo yung maleta. Alis kasi sila ano. Sobrang lakas ng init. Inihatid na nga nila amo sa sila Charlotte sa si amo lalaki si Ting Ting sa school, and then bumalik na din sila kasi mag-flight na sila Charlotte at amo babae pupunta ng Taiwan ngayong araw. Ako nang magsusundo kay Ting Ting mamaya dyan. Hey, enjoy your trip! Oo, Ting Ting alone. Kinuha ko siya. Ang cute ng nano niya. Te, yung dala-dala niya mga kids ang dami. Dumiretso nga kami bumili ng ganito. Makain na siya.
I am a king.
Are you a king?
Yes.
Happy birthday!
Yeah.
It's my birthday!
It's just like proud.
It's my birthday, right?
Yeah.
Ah!
Yes.
Bakit sa karating na kami, sobrang init. Yan. So, opening natin ito. Pwede ko mag-fold dito. Oh, come here! We open. What is this? Too much! So, yung mga kids, dahil birthday ko, so mag-celebrate kami ng... Teacher, give you this? Pupunta kami ni Dengdeng mamaya sa ano. Kasi umalis na sila amo. So, kami na lang ni Dengdeng. Kasi amo lalaki. May pasok pa siya bukas. Hindi ko alam kung bakit di sinama ni amo si Dengdeng.
Wow.
Yes, where's this? Ito yung binili namin kumain. So, this one. Oh, take ma. You. Because this is for you. Oh. Other one was oh, you open first. Oh. What's that? I will help you. Wow, kung laruan naman. Oh. Is you see a dinosaur egg. Ito pa may pie. Kasi mainit. What's that? Wow. Mm. Wow! 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 Rare for you!
That's so cute.
Wow! Oh, you handsome! Yee! You're so handsome, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sticker for you. Ah, egg again?
Yes.
Ah, how about this? Wow! Oh, may relo siya. You open one? Ayaw niya, i-open siya na lang. Ooh, pamaypay, because very hot. Oh, I have a bread! Huh? This for me? Tawanan lang ako. Wow! Calculator. Wow! I will put that in your hand. Wow!
What?
What's for you?
Yeah, what do you watch?
Wow!
What's your watch?
I help you, okay?
Oh,
It's
broken.
not broken like this, not like that. Okay, I help you. Come.
No,
Yeah,
I want to see this.
I put in your hands first, this one. I put in your hands. Then,
No, I want to open that.
where's that?
This dinosaur.
Later, oh, a dinosaur. You need to paint a dinosaur. Oh, have inside, ano, bibitakin siya.
We need to paint.
Oh, hold this first. Ready, finish? Wow, Oreo for me. This is my favorite.
No, I like two.
Favorite na Oreo.
My favorite is Oreo, right?
Yes, right. What's this?
This is
Either for you.
Yes.
Wow. What's this for me?
No, this for me. Very.
Wow, already finished. This is also.
Yes, French jelly. French jelly at the bag.
Naman kami ni Dengdeng sa McDonald's. Kasama ko siya.
Let's go, darling.
Yeah. Yung order namin ni Dengdeng. Ayan si Dengdeng. May isang kasama na antay namin. Nag-order pa siya. Ayan ang mga order namin mga kids. Ayan. Nantay pa namin yung isang kasama namin. Kapitbahay namin.